Well, good evening, viewers. It's early evening. We're on the outskirts of Andover, up on the West Portway Industrial Estate. Behind me is a barbecue going, and there's a couple of guys actually cooking something here, and I wonder what they're doing right in the middle of West Portway with a barbecue this time of night. Can you tell me what's going on? Is this the way in?
Yeah, that's the way in.
What do you got going there?
Do you want to have a look?
Yes, please. Yeah. Oh! No. Well, I think we'll abandon that idea, Steve, and I think we'll go in the door, but we'll go and find out what's going on here. Right, follow me. Follow me. Here we go. It says up here, showroom. So in the true Town TV style, we're going to go and find out what's going on the West Portway. And here it is. KJM Windows Open Night. What's going on this evening? It's 8:15 and there's all these people in your premises.
Well, basically, once about every 3 times a year we throw an open evening, and basically, as you can see, people can wander around a relaxed atmosphere. They can see what's actually going on, go down to the factory floor, see what's being manufactured, talk to the lads on the floor, watch them eat their sausages from the barbecue, and take a glass of wine, and generally wander around and feel free to ask all the questions they want to ask or what they wouldn't like to ask in a normal sales confrontation. This way they come, they're completely relaxed, and hopefully they feel quite uninhibited to fire away all the questions they want to.
But it says here KJM has got over 5,000 satisfied customers. Why have an open day? You've got all those customers.
I suppose, like anything else, it's all ongoing, isn't it? You've got to keep. You can't stop and really, relax and look back at your laurels. So you've got to keep going forward.
So business is obviously very good.
Yes, I mean basically we're quite pleased. I mean we've survived the recession. The bulk of our work, well over 90%, comes in as a result of recommendation, which is due, we feel, to the standard of workmanship and the quality that we actually produce and install. And we're very proud of our reputation.
And you make everything here on the
it's all in-house, which is a nice thing that people like. They can actually come and see, and if they want to, they can actually follow their window from start to finish, literally from the drawing board, going through production to the time it actually goes out to be installed.
So unlike a lot of firms, you don't actually buy it in.
That's right. We've got total control. So we know which lad put which screws in which window. Right.
So how long have you been going, Bev?
This is our 12th year. Yeah.
Well, fantastic. And we're going to be following KJM over the next few weeks, see what you're actually up to. And congratulations, really good evening.
Right, thanks very much indeed.
I think we're going to have another glass of your red wine, I think.
Please do, and I'll go and do it more. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.